Hey guys, it's Noah and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to obtain an EIN. If you don't know what an EIN is, don't worry, I got you. An EIN stands for an employer identification number, and it basically acts as a social security number for your business. It's how the IRS identifies your company for tax purposes, and it's also how you're going to go ahead and open up a business bank account, or how you're going to go ahead and sell on platforms like eBay and Amazon. So if you wanted to register for a bank account in person, you would need to use your social security number. If you have a business, then you're going to need the EIN, which is again how the IRS keeps track and identifies your business for tax purposes. So if you're starting a business and you need an EIN number, or you just want to watch a cool tutorial by your favorite YouTuber, then just keep watching and we're going to go over how to obtain this number. One more thing before we begin, I just want to remind you that I am not a tax professional. The information that I provide you in this video is based off of my research and my experience. So please don't take my word as the gospel and do your own research and don't sue me. Always consult a tax professional or an accountant if you have any major tax questions or if you need clarification on something. The first step to getting your EIN is to go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. Okay, after you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to use Google and you want to type in EIN. Now you're going to get a bunch of results. You want to avoid the sponsored ads because these are people just charging you money for a service that is completely free. So what you want to do, just again, avoid these sponsored posts, and you're going to click on the official IRS website. So you're going to look for irs.gov, which is this one. To make it even easier, I'm also going to leave it as a link in the description. So you can just click that and it's going to take you to the official website. Once you click it, or after you click it from Google, it should look like this. Now, this looks very confusing. I know there's a lot of things here. I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step. The IRS website is a bit like a maze, and you don't want to go into the cornfield blind. So just make sure that you have everything on hand, such as your business name, all of your business documents, your address, and everything else that you're going to need when you're filling out the information. Also, make sure that you read everything thoroughly and that you make sure that you fill out everything correctly, because this is information that is going to be used for your business and for tax purposes. First step is you're just going to click apply online now. After you do that, you're going to be seeing this page and you're just going to press begin application. Once there, it's going to be the identify section. So you're going to first select the type of business that you are applying for. Are you a sole proprietor, a partnership, a corporation, an LLC? For me, I'm an LLC, so I'm going to select that. Next, you're going to press continue. So again, make sure that you read this, make sure that it is correct, and then you're going to press continue. And then the next step is you're going to go ahead and you're going to fill out the information. So for me, since I'm an LLC and I'm not a sole proprietor, so how many members are in your LLC? I'm just going to put one since I am a single member LLC. Please select the state or territory where the business is physically located. So my business is located in New Jersey. Next, it's going to offer you the information based off of what you have provided and what you have selected. I'm an LLC, but since I have one person, I'm going to be taxed as a single member LLC, or I'm going to be recognized that in the IRS's eyes. Next, I'm going to press continue. Why is the LLC requesting an EIN? I'm starting a new business. If you have it for a different purpose, hiring employees, banking purposes, etc., you would just select that. I'm going to press continue. Next, you have the authenticate section. Here's where you're just going to fill in your information, as well as if your LLC or your company has other members. You're just going to need to put in their social security number, and you're just going to need to select who they are and what relation they have to the business. And after you fill in that, it's going to ask you for the address of the business, as well as it might ask you for a bit of other information. After that, it's going to go ahead and it's going to ask you for several more things that we're now going to review. So for this part of the video, we're going to be continuing from the details section after you filled in the authenticate as well as the address information. In the details information, it's going to be asking you for details on the LLC, such as what you'll be doing, etc. So here you'll see that it's going to ask for the LLC name, where it's located, the county, and then after that, it's going to ask for more information about the LLC. So you have several questions. Does your business own a highway motor vehicle? Does your business involve in gambling or wagering, etc., etc.? And you're going to select all that apply for your business. Next, it's going to say what your business does or what does your organization do. So you're just going to select the one that best describes your business. For me, and probably for the majority of you watching my video and my channel, you're just going to select retail. After you select retail, you're just going to see this page. So since I'm an online retailer, I would select the first one. You would select the one that is appropriate for your business. And then after that, you're just going to have the EIN confirmation. Here's where you can select to receive it either via mail or online. I chose to receive it online, and I've always done that for all of my businesses. This way, I just get it right away. If you want a physical copy, you can go ahead and you can receive it in the mail from the IRS. So that's it. Bring out the champagne bottle because now you have your EIN. Again, just to say, double check and make sure that you fill out everything correctly. Make sure the address is correct. Make sure the business name is correct. And just make sure all of the information matches what it needs to be. If there's one thing to remember, it's that you definitely do not want to make the IRS's naughty list, as you can learn from Al Capone. So that's it. Congratulations. Now you've obtained your EIN. So you're one step closer to becoming a business mogul and having all these sources for passive income. But don't forget what Uncle Ben said to Spider-Man, and with an EIN comes great responsibility. So just make sure that you're keeping proper records and make sure that you have everything accounted for. If you have any questions, be sure to go ahead and you can put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. If they are more specific questions, you can also reach out to the IRS. They have a phone number that you can call, or you can also reach out to a tax professional. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to go ahead and smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more content about running a business and selling online. And as always, peace.